Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to recover your Instagram account without any access. So, first of all guys, we have to go ahead into your phones if you're using mobiles, go to your app stores if you are using iOS and download Instagram from there. If you're using Android, just go ahead and download Instagram from Google Play. If you're using PCs less like I am, just go ahead and open any kind of browsers and then go here and search for Instagram. So here we go. Now, basically what you'll have to do guys is pretty simple. Go to Instagram and then click on login. So let me just make this page in French or English, I mean. So let me just translate it. Here we go. Now, how we can actually get our account back? So it's pretty simple. Just click here, forgot account or password. And here you must put your email or whatever it is. So let's say that you don't have, you can't reset your password. Click here, and basically this will take us to this page. So what do I do? What to do if you forget your Instagram username, or what you do in case you forgot anything from this? So for example, let's say that you have forgotten your Instagram username. So that means you completely don't have the access to it. So what to do is, if you got your or don't know your Instagram username, you can still log in using your phone number or email address associated with your account. This is the first thing. Let's say that you forgot to link your Instagram account has been hacked or something like that. How you can fix that? If you think your account has been hacked, you can just go to this page and basically my account, if you think your account has been hacked, my account was hacked. Next, you just have to put here your username or email, etc. And then you just have to do what you have to do next is simply contact the support, and they will answer you in your email in a couple of days. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually recover your Instagram account without having any access to it. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you guys for watching.